Hey guys, I am back and I'm going to show you guys what I did with my brows. I used this Got To Be Glued spray and a eyebrow like little spoolie. I actually, as I said in the last video, I got this trick from YouTube and it works really well. I'm an oily person and all I did is put that on my brows and let it dry, and I absolutely love it. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be taking this eyebrow pencil. This is just one of the ones that I use. It's the Maybelline Total Temptation. I got it in a color soft brown. Now y'all, this is not one of my favorite brow pencils, but you see how it looks? That's how it looks. It got like an angle type tip. I do like it because of the angle type tip. It's just that the color for me, it's kind of a little bit light, but it gives me a natural kind of look with my brows. You guys are going to see what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take these two concealers. It is in Almond and Honey. Honey is going on my top brows, and I'm going to use Almond for the bottom brow. And I'm going to take this little kind of round angled flat brush, and normally what I've started doing is putting it on like a palette and then put it on because it's easier that way for me. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this round like doe foot brush. I absolutely love this brush, and I'm going to go ahead and blend out all of my concealer. What I'm going to be doing now is all my colors, you guys, are going to be coming from this Huda Topaz palette. And the first color I'm going to start off with is this really pale pinky color, and I'm going to use that as my highlight. Next color I'm going to be taking is this really pretty orange color, and I'm going to be placing that like as a transition color. Next, what I'm going to be doing, you guys, is I'm going to take that like burnt orange color right there, that's by the golden part of the brush. Sorry for where I put it. And then I'm going to go ahead and just put that like right on top of the orange color, but leaving some of the orange color. And you guys will notice this fluffy brush that I'm using, I was going for a certain look, so you're gonna notice that my entire look mostly, and I think the whole thing, I used this fluffy brush. What I'm going to do now is take this really pretty, beautiful chocolate brown. It's a dark chocolate brown color, and I'm going to use that same blending brush to just swipe it over my eyelid. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this beautiful golden shimmery color. It is like a metallic gold, and I am going to take that brush, not the same one, but a different brush, and just swipe it all over my lid. You guys, this is a beautiful color. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this Colourpop Precise Brow Pencil. It's in brown black, and I'm going to use that to line my waterline. Now I'm going to apply my Mmakiage eyeliner. Y'all know lately I have been absolutely loving it. So I'm just going to take this and give myself a kind of thick cat eye. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Urban Decay All Nighter. You girl, this stuff is awesome, y'all. It's a face primer and I absolutely love it. It helps me stay matte all day. I'm just gonna put that on my face, rub it in, wait for a couple minutes, and then apply my foundation. Now I'm going to use the foundation. Well, the foundation I'm going to be using today, you guys, is called Bare Minerals. It's Bare Minerals Pro. I don't really like this foundation, I'm going to be honest. Now I'm going to put it on here. You guys see me put 2 pumps here. I do believe that I had to use about 6 pumps, you guys. I'm not gonna even lie. I think I had to use like 6 pumps to get an actual full coverage, and I think like that is way too much. Now it may look yellow to you guys, but believe me, this matches my skin complexion, you guys. So it may look like this on camera, but it does. It matches me. It oxidizes and goes to my skin complexion. I'm gonna use this Beauty Crush Cosmetics flat top kabuki brush and just blend that in. And y'all, I don't know, it gives like a light to medium coverage if you ask me, because y'all can still see my blemishes there. And this is with 2 pumps of foundation on here. And again, it looks like the color isn't matching, but it does. When it oxidizes and dries down, the color matches me. It's just that the coverage, I do not like the fact that I got to sit there and put all that foundation just to get coverage. It wasn't cakey or anything, but it does have the potential to be cakey, and because of the primer that I use, it did not get me oily. So it is matte, that much I give it, and I had it on for like 10 hours and I didn't get oily. I started getting oily around the 10 and a half, 11 hour. But y'all see, now I'm going back. I think I put 2 more pumps on there, and then I'm gonna have to just go in my spots and try to cover them up again. I feel like this is just too much, so I do not like this Bare Mineral foundation. I will be returning it. The color matches, believe me, it does. However, I do not like the fact that I had to sit here and put all this foundation on my face. All right, y'all, I know I may be looking a little bit ghostly, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my not my foundation, but this concealer and Almond, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. Y'all, like I said, I had to put so many pumps of this foundation on my face till y'all see how it got me looking like cakey and ghostly. I did not like that, but I had to go to work and drop my baby off, so I was not about to go ahead and do it again. Plus, now I am noticing it, you guys. It is too yellow. I'm gonna make it work. That much I am. I'm gonna make it work, and I'm gonna, when I finish everything, it is gonna turn out, you know, nice. However, I do not like this Bare Minerals foundation, y'all. I really don't. I'm gonna take this damp beauty blender, you guys, and blend out that concealer. Yeah, y'all. I am so sorry, but yes, this foundation is super yellow. You couldn't even hardly see my highlight, and this is on me, this this Almond concealer is a very light concealer on me, and you could barely see it. Like, oh my gosh, y'all. Yeah, but y'all gonna see in the end, it came out nicely. It wasn't horrible, but I tell you, I swear I am not ever getting this Bare Minerals foundation ever again. Now I'm going to take this concealer and contour my face, you guys. This is in honey because I need some warmth back in my face. So I'm going to... Anyways, yes, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face with this honey concealer and then blend it out with the beauty blender, you all. Alright, y'all, now that I got some type of warmth and lifeless back in my face, I'm going to take my Sacha ButterCup setting powder and set where I placed my concealer at. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this LA Girl Pro Press powder and warm caramel, and I'm going to take that and set all the places that I put my contour. I'm going to use that brush right there, you guys, and this is a very pigmented pressed powder, so be careful if y'all gonna use it, and use light hands because oh my god, y'all see this foundation, all that foundation I sat there and put on my face, and y'all still can see the blemishes. I am so upset. I really am. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do, you guys, is take my LA Girl Pro Face Powder. This one is in Soft Honey, and what I'm going to use this for is to set my entire face with that big old fluffy brush. Okay, what I'm going to go ahead and do now, you guys, is use this really beautiful, and I do mean beautiful, Milani Baked Blush. It's in Fantastico Mauve. You guys, I swear I've had this blush for years. And when I say years, because y'all remember when Milani Baked Blushes first came out. This how long I had this this blush. Now, y'all, I'm going to take my favorite mascara for the moment. This is the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational. I absolutely love this. I recommend anyone who is not a eyelash wearer such as myself to try it. Y'all, lashes will be popping. Okay, guys, now I'm going to take this MAC lip pencil in Chesnut, and I'm also going to take this Milani lipstick. It's a matte lipstick and it's called Blissful. It is a beautiful pink lipstick. This is another one that I have had for literally some years, 4 or 5 years, you guys. And I'm going to just line my lips with the Chesnut and then put the lipstick on top of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte Spray, you guys. When I say this is the holy grail for us of those who are oily, this is going to keep your makeup, I mean matte, for I want to say for me, it gave me an 11-hour hold. And when I say I only had a little itty tiny bit of oil peeking out after 11 hours, that was it, y'all. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it. Also, leave comments down at the bottom bar. I would love to chat with you all, and I enjoyed making this video for you. Bye.